According to the National Electrical Code Section 422.31, all appliances must have a disconnecting means within sight from the appliance and readily accessible. An instant hot water heater is considered an appliance as per NEC 100. NEC Section 422.32 provides options for disconnecting means. Firstly, a cord and plug can be used. The heater can be plugged into a receptacle with a cord and plug. Secondly, a disconnect switch can be used. A disconnect switch, such as a fused or non-fused switch, can be installed in a readily accessible location. Installing a disconnect switch is the recommended option for instant hot water heaters. It provides a clear and safe way to isolate the heater for maintenance or emergencies. The disconnect switch should be located within sight from the heater and readily accessible. It can be installed in a cabinet above or below the heater or in a nearby electrical panel. If architects have concerns about the size of disconnect switches under sinks, consider using a smaller switch with a lower amperage rating. Alternatively, the disconnect switch can be installed in a nearby electrical panel. Always refer to the manufacturer's instructions for specific requirements regarding the disconnecting means. To ensure compliance with the NEC and safety, install a disconnect switch for instant hot water heaters. The disconnect switch should be readily accessible and located within sight from the heater. Architects' concerns can be addressed by using a smaller switch or installing it in a nearby electrical panel.